Does, doesn't it? So minty and lemony.
Like that?
Yep. Can we leave it on its back, eh?
Because then we can put the potato bakes on its sides, I guess.
You know what? The hole's not long enough. I'm a little bit worried. No. Okay, can we lift it to that side a bit?
Do you want me to go bring the potato bakes now?
Yes, please. Yep, one at a time. Go and take a walk over. It's better when they're big, they're full size. That's pretty brilliant.
That's pretty what?
Pretty brilliant.
This bird's just been here all day.
All day. Keep the buds up.
Oh, I can see potato bacon.
Yeah, I made one of them. I made 2 of them.
I can guess which ones you made.
The good ones.
2 of them felt light as, and one felt like a bar of gold.
Oh.
It was so dense.
Because one of them, the salt shaker just absolutely poured all over one of them. So we had to take off the potatoes. Some of the potatoes that had the salt on them. And then one of them, my mom put like a bunch of different toppings on it for some reason.
Well, that's probably the heavy one, eh?
Yeah.
It felt like it was gonna leak through the bottom. I was like so confused what was in it.
Yeah, but that's lightweight.
Carrying a
Just
whole ass lamb.
put it on your back. That's easy. Lightweight.
What? The boiling hot lamb?
Put your hands together on
It looks red. No, he still had it. I was just like, cool, no. Oh, it turned off or something. It went black.
I can only boys take
That's the shower one.
I can only boys shower.
What's in here? It's a mirror.
You can tell it's being used by tradies.
Oh! Why is it slam? I'm gonna film this too. Oh my goodness.
You can see that
Smell it through the phone. Oh, look at it. You can see it right there.
I don't want people to drag themselves on this one.
Can I get first bite?
No, can I get first bite?
Can I get second bite?
Yeah, well, if we take a...
No, I get third bite because Chris gets first bite. 'Cause it's
Oh
birthday.
yeah.
You
So I
carve
guess-
off a little piece, what you like. No,
Bet.
Noah first.
Aww.
Sorry.
Chris, you're not getting the first bite.
I'll tell him to come over if he wants the first one.
Nah, I want the second bite, so
Yeah.
he's not coming over.
There's a fork.
17, 30. Oh, I want to go. Okay. That was really long. Hey. Hey.
Do you have the
This kid, bro.
Have a
Give me
taste.
the dough. I just want to chew. Got a sack for us to
How is it?
My turn.
how you like it.
Shut up, Asha.
Whoa. How do I cut this, bro?
Did you guys kill that and cook it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Smoke is dead when I try to poke into it.
That's what happened to me, bro. Can we get some actual nut forks out here, bro?
Mmm, yummy and
Feeling good?
juicy.
Go.
Good. Alright.
Shall I get another knife? Another knife.
Here you go.